Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is day 8 of the Advent calendars. I have the Ipsy Advent calendar, and I also have the Space NK beauty calendar. And I did want to show you all this. This was from the first couple of days. I can't remember which day. The Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is a highlighter. This was from the Ipsy calendar. And y'all, I forgot to show it to you. I did show you this part, that it's a highlighter. And it'll turn up, well, I think. It's very beautiful. Thought I could put some on to show you. But see, now the other side, this is what I didn't really know until later. It has a brush, a very nice little brush to help you blend it in. So see how that is? I forgot to show you the brush part. It's a nice dense brush, and then you can just blend it in where you need to blend it in. So I just wanted to show you that real fast before I forgot again. And let me put it back together and we'll go on to the Ipsy calendar. I love it. Beautiful. The packaging on Anastasia Beverly Hills is fabulous. Okay, day 8. I have the top tray of the Advent calendar. And day 8 is this bigger one. And I see some bubble wrap in there. Let's see what's going on in there. I don't remember. Oh, now I'm remembering a little bit. These are the little Lottie London eyeshadow palettes. So let's see, I'll show you and then I'll see if I can see now. Look at how cool the Lottie is on there. This one is, oh, it's all shrink wrapped. It's all shrink wrapped. This one is called the Rusts and this one is called the Mauves. So they're very beautiful. Let's I'll take the shrink wrap off. So the Rusts, it does say on the back 1, 2, 3, 4, but they're not named. So let's see how pretty. They're beautiful. There are 2 shimmers and 2 mattes. Let me swatch them. No names for them. And why don't I have any? Well, I do. I have a towel right here, so I didn't realize I did. These are very pretty. So these are the Rusts. And I do like the shimmers. And this is beautiful. This one is very similar to my skin tone. So hard to tell on that one. But that's nice. And then the mauves. Now the mauves are more my cup of tea. This is more me. Look at how pretty the mauves are. Gorgeous. So let's swatch those. And again, it just says 1, 2, 3, 4. It doesn't say names. Well, it doesn't really, I don't think it's showing up very well there, but there it is. Very beautiful. Oh, they're nice. There's a little bit of fallout and all. You know, we'll see. I'll use them. We'll see. And now we will go to the Space NK. Woo! All right, let's see. Where is number 8? I probably should have counted it out. Oh, here it is. It's way up here. Okay. Whoops. You can't really see. It's way up here. Tall and skinny. It says for the morning after the night before. So let's see what's in there. Oh, it's a box. It's a box of something. All right. Let me turn this back this way. This is the brand NIOD. I'm not familiar with this brand. Niod, maybe? I do have the book. I forget that I have the book from them. So this is a multi-molecular hyaluronic complex. This refreshing lightweight serum works to plump skin with a range of molecular weights of moisture magnet hyaluronic acid. It smooths and leaves skin looking and feeling fresh. So it's got a seal there, and this looks like a pretty cool box. I'm not sure how are we gonna open it? I'm gonna break that seal. I'm gonna have to have something to break the seal here. I'll use a scissor to cut this right here and then see. It looks like it might lift out. Oh yeah, this This is a cool box. Whoops, almost dropped it. And there it is. So that's pretty cool. And here it is. It's in a nice brown bottle, which is good. It's 15 mLs, 0.5 fluid ounces. And it does have the directions on the back. I have to get the magnifying glass for that. Recommended use as a core NIOD regimen product to be used with copper. Oh, it tells you what else you should use it with. So anyway, I'll have to read more about it. It's not a real big bottle. I don't know if it's full size or not, but I like to try new things. So this is really cool. I love the container. It's really interesting. Look at that. So that is my advent calendars for today. Thanks for stopping by, y'all, and count your blessings. And there is day 8. And there is day 8.